Pret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s, all Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it orally. Eindklanke. Ending sounds. N sounds the same in English and Afrikaans. Maan. S sounds the same in English and Afrikaans. Roomys. K sounds the same in English and Afrikaans. Stuk. L sounds the same in English and Afrikaans. Appel. R sounds the same in English and Afrikaans. Honger. Wel gedaan. Well done.